some wigs to review for you. I know I haven't done wig reviews for a very long time, but wigstudio1.com have sent me 3 wigs, and I would like to review them for you. And also Andrea was kind enough to give my subscribers permanent 30% off discount with code sugarpuff30. Will be all down below in a description box. So thank you, Andrea, that's very nice. So this beauty is Belle Tress Vienna Roast in chrome. But before we talk about Vienna Roast, let's have a look at the cap. So you have open wefted cap with adjustable straps, bendable ear tabs, beautiful lace front and left monofilament part. So what can I tell you about Vienna Roast? I love it. I love the haircut. That is what I want my own hair eventually look like. Exactly that. This mid-length bob with these gorgeous waves. Let's talk about color. So the color is dark brown root with medium gray and platinum tips. So I suppose it looks great, but to me this is more like all this high fashion color, you know, all the pink, purple, blue haze in fashion. So to me this doesn't scream, you know, gray. It almost has this hint of blue to me, you know, like a bluey gray. But you can see these darker grays and then like real platinums, and the tips are real platinum. I think this is real fun color, and to me this is like a, you know, high fashion color. This wig is also heat friendly, so you can style it with a heat up to 350 Fahrenheit, but I don't know why you would want to, unless you wanted to, you know, maybe add something here, get it off your face. This wig, as usual, has a partial monofilament, which means it has this monofilament that looks like your scalp on the left hand side. And most wigs with, well, I think all the wigs with partial monofilament come on the left side. And that's how they probably look the best, because that's how they've been styled. I always try to do it on my right, and if you have a partial monofilament, usually that might not look too good, because if you part it on this side, it might expose the wefts. But if your wig is rooted, usually the wefts are pretty well disguised. So I will in a minute try to part it on the other side, but I quite like it on that side actually. It's perfect. This is straight out of the box. I haven't brushed it, touched it or anything. So let me show her to you from all sides. So this is my left side. Right side. Ow. And the back. This wig is so light and fine. The hair is just so gorgeous to touch. I like the heat defiant fiber anyway. I feel like the heat defiant fiber feels very much like your own healthy hair. And the hair is so fine. You can see you even get like these flyaways, which I don't mind at all. I think the flyaways actually give it more of a, you know, real hair appearance, because if everything is so sleek and shiny, then it might look a bit more wiggy. This just looks so real. and the cap is so comfortable. I can't get over it because this is not 100% hand-tied cap. You saw it is open wefted cap, but it's so comfortable. And the hair is just amazing. I absolutely love it. I love this haircut, this style. Okay, someone asked me before to brush the wig on camera. So of course you cannot brush your wigs just with any old brush or comb. You should use special wig comb or wig brush. I like to use the Jon Renau, this white tooth comb. So there is no problem with brushing your wig. You can brush out very gently the curls, and you see that gives you more of a relaxed wave. So that's no problem. And if you want to get it back to what it was, just take water, spray it with water, scrunch it, and it will go back to what it was. So remember, these synthetic wigs are pre-styled, and even if they are heat defiant, if I've washed this wig and let it dry, it would go back to exactly the same style. Now, if you want to restyle it, say I wanted to straighten this wig, I would straighten it, and then if I've washed it and dried it, it will come back straight. So however it's been styled, that's how it will come back after you've washed it. I wouldn't touch this wig with any heat. I think it's beautiful as it is. You can style it in so many ways, especially that it has the roots, so even if you pull it up, it's not gonna really show the wefts. This is such a cute, I love these mid-length curly wigs because they look so beautiful, you know, pulled up with just few of these, sorry, I'm looking there because I've got a mirror here, these little curls, just beautiful. I absolutely love it. Right, so like I said, this wig really should be parted on the left because it's got left monofilament, but let's see what it would look like if I part it on the right. Of course, you are not going then to get the natural scalp look. It will be all dark because there is no monofilament here, but because it has these dark roots, you can't really see the wefts, so you won't probably want to lie this way because that's not how it was styled. I would have to, you know, style it here of my face with a bit of heat. But yeah, you can definitely style it on another side, but I must say that it does not bother me being on this side. Let me show you now the lace front. You know, I'm always a bit, I love Raquel Welch wigs because even if you have a dark root, she always puts few light ones here at the hairline, which to me gives so much more natural look to the hairline. Because, you know, like with the Jon Renau 12 FS8, the root is maybe a bit lighter than this, but you get this really severe dark line, and it's the same with this one really. But can you see, I mean, no one has straight hairline like this really. It looks a bit like a cap. Nevertheless, look at the lace front. It's absolutely gorgeous. The knots are very fine, so, and quite closely tied, so you don't really see them. It has very good coverage on the side here. So you know, some wigs are a bit shorter here so your own hair pokes out, but this one has a very good coverage. So I probably wouldn't wear it off my face. You could, but, and the, you know, the lace front is beautiful, but I find this too severe. So I would just wear it as it is, or like I said, maybe just pulled up a bit at the back. Yeah, so I think this one is a winner. This one comes as well in that one, what was it? Something chai latte. That's a really nice color. But I wanted something ashy, of course. So, and I really feel like it's this high fashion pastel color. Okay, my lovely, so that was Belle Tress Vienna Roast in Chrome. What I'm going to do now is pop on Jon Renau Serum in 12 FS8. I have reviewed Serum for you, so I won't spend too much time. I just wanted to show you this in that color. I've reviewed Serum in a different color, much lighter color, so I will pop it somewhere here if you want to see this review. But I wanted to show you the Wig Studio One sells Jon Renau wigs as well, and you can see the color. I wanted to show it to you in 12 FS8 because I know that this is, like, I think the most popular Jon Renau color. You know my feelings on that color. It's not my favorite at all, but because I know that a lot of you out there love this color, I thought I will show it to you. Okay, so this is Serum by Jon Renau in 12 FS8. Does not suit me at all. Although when I reviewed Serum in the other color, it looked much better on me, even though the color was, I can't remember now the number, but you can see it on that review. Even though the color was quite warm, it was much nicer than this, I think. Also, this one seems much curlier than the other one. That's the other thing. Whenever you order a wig, remember you could order 10 wigs, 10 of the same wigs, and each of them will have slightly different curl pattern. You know, I suppose it's quite difficult to make so many wigs that look exactly the same. But what I can tell you about Serum, this is like the Rolls Royce of the wigs. This is fully hand tight cap, so you won't get anything more comfortable than this. This feels like nothing on my head. You get the full monofilament, which means that you get the appearance on of your scalp all around here, so you can part it on left, right, in the middle, wherever you like. I would say Serum is like it's very similar to Heidi and Rachel, but I think is longer. Rachel has shorter fringe here at the front, and Heidi is shorter and is a bit more angled, I think. So this feels like quite a lot of hair. It is quite a lot of hair. It is beautiful. I mean, there is no two ways about it. It's a beautiful wig. I know it does not suit me, but this is not about if it suits me or not. I'm reviewing it for you. You know, lace front is amazing, but like I said, I don't like this severe black hairline. But with this one, if you wear it like this, you don't have to expose the hairline. Obviously with this being so long, you can put it up, style it in any way you like. Again, you can brush these curls down so it's more of a wave. God, I look like a witch. But I see so many people in this wig that look absolutely gorgeous. you know. So this is for you people that like long hair, that maybe your original hair used to be like this. Yeah, that doesn't go at all on this side because it's been styled on the left, so I have to leave it like this. Yeah, to me this is far too much hair at the front. I wish this really suited me because, you know, I'm a bit obsessed with long luscious hair, but I look much better with shorter hair. But let me just quickly show you hair from all the sides because it is beautiful, absolutely beautiful hair. Like I said, I'm not a fan of this color. I know in the camera that looks a bit more ashy than it is. Let me compare it to this. Well, this is proper grey, but yeah, it has some really light golden blondes, but with 12 FS8 you get a lot of the dark at the back underneath. Gorgeous. So let me just quickly show you hair from all the sides. So you just know the Wig Studio sells these as well, and this is the color. So this is the left side, right side, and the back. I don't know if you can see it all. Beautiful movement because of that 100% hand-tied cap, which means that each hair has been sewn in individually. That's why those wigs behave like your hair. But I must say the open wefted wigs are so good now as well. I would say that the movement of this one is very, very natural as well, even though it is not fully hand-tied wig. So like I said, there will be a discount code in a description box. I'm not getting paid for those reviews, so please don't, I don't want to hear, you know, that I love every wig. Yes, I love every wig, almost every wig that I've ever tried. I just love wigs. Yes, they have sent me this wig, but I'm not getting paid for this review. I just really think that it's so nice of the company to give my subscribers 30% off. That is quite a lot, because other websites do discounts now and again, but it's not there all the time. So yeah, with my code you get the 30% off. So like I said, if you want to see full review and the cap of this wig, I will link it here. I think it's here or here. That if you press that little eye, you can watch the full review and see the other color as well. Okay, my lovelies, so that's it for today. I've got another wig to review for you, but come back for that one tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.